Hey, what up guys, this is DJ. Welcome to my DJ Funnering channel. What we have planned for today's videos, we will be reviewing the new Dairy Queen Frosted Choco Donut flavored Blizzard. Now before we get the review for this new Blizzard from Dairy Queen, I just want to let you guys know we did a review of the new limited edition, the summer edition Saducci Lime flavored sugar-free Red Bull, and I want to let you guys know I thought this new limited edition Red Bull smelled really good, like mellow yellow, and that I gave it a 6.4 rating, and that I gave the taste for the new limited edition, the summer edition Saducci Lime sugar-free Red Bull, a 9.4 out of 10 stars with an amazing mellow yellow and citrus taste to it. So that's what the new Dairy Queen Frosted Choco Donut flavored Blizzard looks like. Now, let's try it. That's pretty darn good, actually, guys. Wow. That's the best Blizzard I've ever had from Dairy Queen that's new in a long time. Dang. Oh yeah, that's easily the best flavor of these new Blizzards that I've had in a long time. While this new Dairy Queen Frosted Choco Donut flavored Blizzard won't get 10 stars, I will probably give it an 8.5 out of 10 stars. It's amazing. It's got everything you would love in this new Blizzard. This is part of that new breakfast collection that you can get at Dairy Queen. Oh yeah, it's amazing. Every bite I continue to take of this new Dairy Queen Frosted Choco Donut flavored Blizzard, it just gets better and better. So